How long do you have to drive a car to reset the monitors? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. The monitors we're talking about are the monitors that get your vehicle ready for emissions. Here's the answer. Some cars, I can get the monitors to be completed in about 2 miles. The worst one we had recently was a Volkswagen diesel that took approximately 400 miles to get it to run. So there's no straightforward, simple answer to that. We did shoot a video to give you some tips on how to drive it, but there is no standard, this is how long it takes. And it can depend on temperature and all sorts of things. So, sorry for the very vague answer, but you might be lucky and get it done in 2 miles, or you might be crying like a baby and have to go through a couple tanks of gas. Until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.